Hi guys, I'm Michael Michelle. Welcome to my Wonder Lab. Oh, hi Eli.
You have a Wonder Lab in your house? That is so cool.
I know, right? Want to play with me?
Yeah!
Now we're both scientists.
What experiment should we do first?
Close your eyes and pick, please.
This one. Wizard's Brew? What's that?
Oh, it's a good one. Baking soda goes in this test tube. Dish soap and food coloring go in this test tube. Vinegar goes here. Here's the baking soda.
Okay. Next is the dish soap and food coloring.
Here it is.
Ooh, that looks cool. And then, last but not least, the vinegar.
Whoa!
Whoa, that is so cool. It's a chemical reaction.
That looks like foam.
It's a volcano. It like exploded through the funnel.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's a... I love science.
Now is your turn to pick, but don't peek.
I choose this one. I got Circuit Center. Time for technology. Now hold still.
Okay then, so put one on this finger, and then put the other on this finger.
There you go.
Whoa! It
Yay!
worked!
It worked!
Yeah, I conduct electricity. I didn't even feel it.
Electricity goes through one finger and out the other and turns on the light.
My mom always says I'm positively charged.
Let's see what else completes the circuit and turns on the lights. Here, try the shoe.
Okay. So put this here, and ready for the big reveal? In 3, 2, 1. Aw, it doesn't have electricity.
Oh man.
Let's try something else.
I'll try the banana. Let's put one here.
Yeah. It does it!
Yay! Banana power!
Let's do an engineering project. This is the ball drop maze.
To make our maze, we have to line up the bottom hole of one piece with the top hole of the other.
And this drops into that, and that drops into that. And ready? Wee. Oh, what happened?
Oh, I think I know. So we move this.
Oh, move it right there. Okay, that should be good.
That should work.
Now let's try it.
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah!
Yeah!
It worked! I love when it just spins a little thing.
How fast do you think I could spin? Wee. Wait, should we try with 2 marbles?
Yeah.
3, 2,
1, 2, 3!
1.
Whoa, it worked! We did it! We're engineers! Let's do marbleizing milk painting.
Yeah!
For this one, we're gonna need a little help. Hey, big sis! Be careful, Tahani. Don't make a mess.
The lab tray protects against mess. First, we're gonna add milk.
Milk? This is cool. This is funny.
Okay, do you guys wanna add food coloring?
Yeah!
Just a couple dots all over the milk. Yep, good job, Eli.
More pink.
Let's get some of that green in there too.
One
Perfect.
more teeny, eeny, weeny drop of blue.
Now, gently mix a little bit. Yeah, just like that. We don't wanna mix it too much. Let's put the lab tools away.
Whoa, that's cool.
Now we're gonna add soap to make a really pretty and unique design. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! That's so cool.
It's like slowly expanding.
Yeah, and it's turning a different color a little bit.
It's like...
Okay, my work here is done. Holla at me anytime if you need me, little sis.
Whoa! Look at that.
Now
That
that's
looks
what I
so-
call cool.
Yeah.
Ta-da! I would call this experiment a success.
Thanks for showing me the Wonderland, Michael Michelle.
You're welcome. And there's so much more, like stretchy slime, the electric spoon, and jumping rainbow.
Cool. Can I come here tomorrow?